5 songs to improve your English vocabulary. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. One of the most enjoyable and effective ways to improve your English vocabulary is through music. Songs can help you learn new words in context, improve your pronunciation, and train your listening skills, all while having fun. In this article, we'll explore 5 carefully selected songs that are not only catchy but also rich in vocabulary and meaning. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, these songs can be a great addition to your language learning routine. 1. Imagine, by John Lennon. Why it's great for vocabulary. Imagine is a timeless song filled with abstract and thought-provoking words. It explores deep themes like peace, unity, and hope, making it ideal for learning philosophical and emotional vocabulary. Key vocabulary words: imagine, possession, brotherhood, heaven, greed. Lyrics example: greater than, imagine all the people living life in peace. Learning tip: listen to the song while reading the lyrics. Pause after each verse and note down any unfamiliar words. Try using them in your own sentences. 2. Counting Stars, by OneRepublic. Why it's great for vocabulary. This energetic song talks about dreams, money, and life choices. It uses many idioms and metaphors, which are essential for understanding natural English. Key vocabulary words: counting stars, metaphor for dreaming or hoping. Sink in the river, flashing signs. Praying, old, used metaphorically. Lyrics example: greater than, lately I've been losing sleep. Dreaming about the things that we could be. Learning tip: identify idiomatic expressions and try to understand their figurative meanings. Compare them with expressions in your own language. 3. Someone Like You, by Adele. Why it's great for vocabulary. This emotional ballad is filled with descriptive words about love, memory, and loss. Adele's clear voice and slow singing style also help with pronunciation and listening. Key vocabulary words: regret, bittersweet, heartbreak, remorse. Memories. Lyrics example: greater than, never mind. I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Learning tip: write a short diary entry using some of the emotional words from the song. It helps connect vocabulary with personal experiences. 4. Let It Go, by Idina Menzel, Frozen. Why it's great for vocabulary. Popular with learners of all ages. This song is loaded with expressions of freedom, strength, and self-confidence. It contains phrasal verbs and adjectives that describe feelings vividly. Key vocabulary words: let it go, hold it back, swirling storm, rage, isolation. Lyrics example: greater than, let it go, can't hold it back anymore. Learning tip: act out the lyrics or sing along. Using your voice and body helps with memorization and emotional connection to the language. 5. Hotel California, by Eagles. Why it's great for vocabulary. This classic rock song is like a story, rich in imagery, metaphors, and descriptive language. It's slightly more advanced, making it suitable for intermediate to advanced learners. Key vocabulary words: colitis, mission bell, corridor, Tiffany twisted, spirit, as in ghost or alcohol. Lyrics example: greater than, you can check out any time you like, but you can never leave. Learning tip: try retelling the story of the song in your own words. This builds narrative vocabulary and helps you think in English. Bonus tips for learning English through songs. 1. Use lyric websites. Websites like Genius.com or Lyrics Training show lyrics in real time, which helps with listening comprehension. 2. Repeat and shadow. Listen to short parts of the song. Then repeat aloud to practice pronunciation and intonation. 3. Create a vocabulary notebook. Write down new words, meanings, and example sentences from the songs. 4. Translate for understanding. Try translating a few lines into your native language to make sure you understand them deeply. 5. Sing along, don't be shy. Singing helps reinforce memory and boosts your confidence in speaking English. Final thoughts. Songs are more than just entertainment. They're a gateway into the soul of a language. By listening actively, analyzing lyrics, and practicing regularly, you can expand your English vocabulary naturally and joyfully. Start with these 5 songs, and you'll soon notice a significant improvement in your understanding, pronunciation, and word power. So put on your headphones, hit play, and let the learning begin. Learn English vocabulary effortlessly. 5 songs that teach without teaching. Mastering English doesn't always require grammar books and boring worksheets. In fact, some of the best vocabulary lessons are hidden within your favorite songs, waiting to be discovered. When you listen to music, your brain naturally absorbs words, phrases, and pronunciation patterns. It's like learning on autopilot. So if you're tired of traditional methods, here's a fun detour. 5 powerful songs that can upgrade your English vocabulary while you vibe to the beat. Let's unlock the language potential in melody. 1. Firework, by Katy Perry. Words of confidence and self-worth. Ever felt like you're not enough? This anthem of empowerment will lift your spirit. And your English. Why it's vocabulary gold. Firework is packed with adjectives and action verbs that express inner emotions and personal strength. You'll learn how to talk about self-belief, fear, and courage in poetic ways. Notable vocabulary. Ignite. Buried. Lightning. Awe. Original. Lyric to remember. Greater than. Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show what you're worth. Challenge yourself. Write a short motivational speech using words from the song. Try starting with, deep inside every one of us, there's a fire waiting to ignite. 2. Love Yourself, by Justin Bieber. Everyday language in real emotion. This song is conversational, simple, and filled with natural spoken English, perfect for learners. Why it's vocabulary gold. It uses everyday phrases and casual expressions like a real conversation. You'll also pick up on sarcastic tone and indirect speech. Notable vocabulary. Caught up. Broke down. Moving on. Mama. Slang. Mean. Lyric to remember. Greater than, my mama don't like you. And she likes everyone. Try this activity. Turn the lyrics into a short dialogue between 2 friends. For example, A. I heard you broke up. B. Yeah, she was too caught up in herself. 3. Hall of Fame, by The Script featuring will.i.am. Ambition and power words. When it comes to building vocabulary around achievement, success, and big dreams, this song is unbeatable. Why it's vocabulary gold. You'll learn powerful nouns, adjectives, and verbs that relate to victory, persistence, and personal greatness. Words often used in motivational speeches and TED Talks. Notable vocabulary. Champion. Warriors. Preachers. Believers. Greatness. Lyric to remember. Greater than. Standing in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name. Learning hack. Make a dream board, using English words from the song. Include words like fighter, leader, hero, and explain each one with a sentence. 4. Fix You, by Coldplay. Vocabulary for emotion and healing. This slow, haunting ballad will teach you how to express comfort, sadness, and hope with delicate English phrases. Why it's vocabulary gold. It's filled with metaphorical language and soft expressions that describe emotional healing. Great for expanding your ability to talk about feelings. Notable vocabulary. Guide. Ignite. Stuck. Bones. Repair. Lyric to remember. Greater than. Lights will guide you home, and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. Deep dive exercise. List 5 emotions you feel when you hear this song. Then, write 1 sentence in English for each emotion using words from the song. 5. Roar, by Katy Perry, Language of Resilience. This is not just a song. It's a statement. And it teaches the vocabulary of finding your voice and refusing to stay silent. Why it's vocabulary gold. Roar is built on metaphors and dynamic verbs that describe inner growth, strength, and speaking up. It's a masterclass in expressive language. Notable vocabulary. Roar. Rock the boat. Stand for nothing. Brushed off. Earned. Lyric to remember. Greater than. I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath. You're gonna hear me roar. Action step. Write a short story titled, How I Found My Roar, using 5 words from the song. Pro tips for using songs to learn vocabulary. Don't just listen, study, pause after each verse. What words are new? What do they mean in context? Repeat and shadow. Imitate the singer's voice. It helps with pronunciation and fluency. Use lyric videos. Watch YouTube lyric videos to follow along easily. Make flashcards. Turn song lyrics into digital flashcards with apps like Anki or Quizlet. Rewrite the lyrics. Challenge yourself by rephrasing parts of the song in your own words. Final word. Music makes learning magical. The secret to building a rich English vocabulary isn't hidden in textbooks. It's in your headphones. Songs are like language lessons wrapped in melody. They teach through rhythm, emotion, and context. So start with these 5 songs, and let music become your personal English tutor. Ready to level up your English, 1 lyric at a time? If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Let us know in the comments which daily conversation topic you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.